Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix WebGL not supported in Chrome on Windows 10. Click three dots in top right corner, click Settings, click Advanced. Click System. Turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Click Relaunch. Type Chrome //flags. Type WebGL. Select Enabled. Click Relaunch. Click Add to Chrome. Application successfully added. If same error still exists, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click Display Adapter, Update Driver. Same error still exists, right-click Adapter Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Model and install driver. If same error still exists, third method is type System Information, click System Information. Get information baseboard and processor. Type processor with generation. Select operating system. Download and install. Click Begin installation. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.